Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you woke up in the morning with that automatic firmness, the kind that used to happen without you even thinking about it? For many men over 60, that morning rise has quietly faded away. And when it does, it doesn't just affect your body. It chips away at your confidence, your energy, even your sense of manhood. But what if I told you you could start reawakening that natural response without pills, without pumps, and without risky procedures, using only your hands a few minutes a day, and 3 little-known pressure points on your body? I'm Dr. Jocelyn. I'm a urologist with 5 years of experience helping men restore their vitality. And today, I'm going to reveal 3 secret pressure points that can help bring back stronger, more reliable morning erections by improving blood flow, waking up your nerves, and strengthening the very muscles that support firmness. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Tap the like button so more men can discover this, and comment below, where are you watching from? I love hearing from you. First, let's clear up a big myth. Most men think morning erections disappear simply because of old age. They assume it's inevitable, like gray hair or wrinkles. But that's not the full story. Morning erections fade mostly because of changes in circulation, nerve function, and muscle tone in the pelvic region, not just age itself. And here's the good news. All 3 of those systems can be reawakened with the right kind of targeted stimulation. In other words, your body still has the ability. It just needs a little nudge, a reset, a reminder of how it's supposed to work. And that's exactly what these 3 pressure points are designed to do. Now, before we get practical, let me give you the science. Erections aren't random. They're the result of a beautifully coordinated dance between your brain, your spinal cord, your blood vessels, your nerves, and your pelvic muscles. Here's the chain reaction. Nerve signals from your brain or sensory pathways tell these smooth muscles in the penis to relax. Blood rushes in and fills 2 spongy chambers called the corpora cavernosa. As those chambers expand, veins that usually drain blood away get compressed, trapping the blood inside. The result? Firmness, fullness, and stability. But as men get older, 2 major slowdowns happen. Blood vessels stiffen, reducing circulation. Nerve conduction weakens, so signals don't travel as fast or as strongly. That double hit explains why morning erections fade after 50, 60, or beyond. Here's where pressure point therapy comes in. By pressing or massaging specific spots, you activate sensory nerves, boost blood flow, and engage the pelvic floor muscles. It's like giving your system a direct hands-on tune-up. Pressure point number 1, the base groove. The first point is called the base groove. It sits right where the shaft meets the pubic area, almost like a hinge between your manhood and your pelvis. Run your fingers along the underside of the shaft toward your body. You'll feel a subtle groove or indentation. That's your target. Why does this matter? Biologically, underneath you've got branches of the dorsal nerve of the penis and important blood vessel junctions feeding directly into the erectile chambers. Emotionally, think of this as the control hub, the ignition switch, where nerves and circulation meet. Practically stimulating it tells your body, open the blood vessels, wake up the nerves, get ready for action. How to do it? Place your thumb on the base groove supporting the shaft with your fingers. Use gentle but deliberate circular motions. Enough pressure to feel the tissue beneath, but never pain. Work for about 90 seconds. You may feel warmth, tingling, or subtle fullness. That's blood flow improving. Do this daily, ideally first thing in the morning or during a warm shower. Over weeks, you're retraining your erectile reflexes. Pressure point number 2, the perineum. Next is one most men overlook, the perineum. That's the soft, springy area between the scrotum and the anus. Doesn't look like much, but functionally it's a powerhouse. Beneath it lies the bulbospongiosus muscle, one of the main pelvic floor muscles. Its job to trap blood in the penis during erections, acting like a natural clamp. Here's why this spot is so powerful. Biologically, stimulating it activates pelvic floor reflexes, boosting firmness. Emotionally, this is about control. A strong pelvic floor means not just stronger erections, but also better stamina. Practically by pressing here, you're giving that muscle a workout without doing a single cue. How to do it? Sit or lie down comfortably with knees apart. Place 2 fingers on the perineum. Press gently but firmly enough to feel underlying muscle response. Massage in small circles for 2 to 3 minutes. For even better results, pair this with light pelvic squeezes. Over time, your erections will feel fuller and more dependable. Pressure. Point number 3, the corona ridge. Finally, the most sensitive one, the coronary ridge. That's the ring-like edge where the head of the penis meets the shaft. It's packed with an incredibly dense cluster of sensory nerve endings. This spot is your body's signal booster, helping arousal messages travel quickly and strongly to the spinal erection center. Here's why it matters. Biologically, stimulating this ring heightens nerve responsiveness. Emotionally, it's about rekindling sensitivity, restoring that spark of spontaneity. Practically, it trains your system to go from mild arousal to full erection more easily. How to do it? Pinch the ridge lightly between thumb and forefinger. Hold 5 seconds, release, repeat for 1 minute. Then switch to slow circular strokes around the entire ridge for another minute. Keep pressure firm but comfortable. Done daily. This reconditions the nerves like fine-tuning the volume knob on your body's arousal system. Now here's how you put it all together. Base groove, 90 seconds, slow circles. Perineum, 2 minutes, steady pressure plus circles. Corona ridge, 2 minutes, pinch and release plus circular strokes. And that's just 6 minutes total. Do it once a day. Want to double the impact? Pair it with hydration so your blood volume stays high. Pelvic floor exercises like gentle Kegel nutrition foods that support circulation like leafy greens, beets, and omega-3s. This combination trains your vessels, nerves, and muscles to fire together again. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Doc, I've gone years without this. Can it really come back? My answer, yes. Your body hasn't forgotten how. It just needs the right reminders. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s restore their morning confidence. Not overnight, but gradually, steadily, reliably. And remember, this isn't just about sex. It's about dignity, vitality, and feeling alive again. That small change you notice in the morning can ripple into your mood, your energy, even your relationships. Gentlemen, weaker erections are not an unavoidable sentence of aging. With just a few minutes a day, you can take back control naturally, safely, and powerfully. So here's your challenge. Try this routine for 21 days. Stick with it and then come back here and let me know your results. I'd love to celebrate your wins with you. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe for more men's health tips, and share it with a friend who might need this encouragement. And remember, age is not the end of vitality. With the right knowledge and consistent action, your body can surprise you at 60, 70, and beyond. I'm Dr. Jocelyn. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next